In this biogas energy segment, we are going to learn what is biogas, how to produce it, and benefit and usage of biogas. What is biogas? Biogas, we know that an alternative and renewable energy, and it can be produced by the anaerobic decomposition of organic matter that is breaking down the organic matter in that sense of oxygen. Biogas is typically consisting of 60% of methane and 40% of carbon dioxide. It also contains trace amount of other gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and hydrogen sulfide. How to produce biogas? Biogas can be produced via anaerobic digestion process. This is an engineered process. Here, an optimum environment created for a group of microorganisms to break down organic materials analytically, that is in the absence of oxygen. In general, anaerobic digestion is designed in an enclosed vessel that is known as anaerobic digester. Usually, the process takes place for 15 to 20 days for a temperature of 35 to 37 degrees centigrade. And the main product of anaerobic digestion is biogas, and the leftover of the anaerobic digestion process is known as digestate. That's the combination of residual solids and water. And further resources can be recovered from the digestate as compost or fertilizer. This is the detail of anaerobic process schematic. That's how organic material broken down into different substances to produce biogas at the end. In the fast state, hydrolysis, organic material transform into simple liquefied monomers and polymers, like glucose, fatty acids, amino acids, etc. In the next step, fermentation, the products of hydrolysis, such as simple sugars, amino acids, fatty acid, break down further and produce final products of fermentation, such as hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and acetate. In the last stage, acetylastic methanogens, a group of bacteria, convert acid into hydrogen and carbon dioxide, then hydrogen utilizing methanogens. Another group of bacteria combines hydrogen and carbon dioxide into methane. The end product is biogas, that is a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. Anaerobic digestion and various production steps. So there are 4 steps involved. The first one is feedstock receiving and handling. There are different types of feedstock or material that can be used to produce biogas. We can see there are energy crops that can be produced commercially or manure from the farm animals. Industrial waste, source-separated organics or municipal solid waste also contain a lot of organics. Restaurant and food waste is also a very good source for anaerobic digestion process, and then wastewater treatment plant slashes. The next step is anaerobic digestion process that produce biogas that can be collected and cleaned to produce electricity and renewable fuel, and the digest state can be further utilized to produce biofertilizer, compost, and reusable water. Beneficial use of biogas. The versatile uses of biogas allow multiple end users at the same location. The most common is electricity and heat generation. But with different upgrading technologies, it can be converted to renewable natural gas and compressed natural gas. That is an alternative to natural gas, and that can either inject it directly to natural gas grid system, or used as vehicle fuel in a full station, or can be taken further for further use through tube trailer or storage tanks. So you can see that biogas has the potential of replacing fossil fuel and reducing the greenhouse gas emission. And this is a promising alternative fuel for the future.